So as you can see, I've put a load of tools on the wall, and in this video we're going to look at what tools I've got, where I've put them, why I've put them there, and all that great stuff. Okay, so I have tried to group the tools into sort of little areas where they are next to the tool that might correspond to each other. So for example, here I've got stuff, all this area here is for marking out. So I've got like a marking gauge, which I have made, it's my own marking gauge, I made it myself. I've got a compass, sliding bevel, squares, I've got a ruler, knife, and some calipers. And that is this, I know if I need to mark something out, I can go to this area and the tool is probably going to be there. Down here I've got my hearing protection and my some safety glasses. And moving down here I've got some screwdrivers, just a short little selection of screwdrivers. Next to the screwdrivers I've got my files, and I've got a square file, a round file and a triangle file, and then I've got a flat file with a beveled edge on this side. I've got a flat file with two flat sides, and I've got a really heavy duty, more like a rasp file for really when I need to remove a lot of material. And then up here I've got my chisels. Now for the chisels I've got 6, which are, I'm calling them my good chisels, and I've got 2 up here which are going to be used when I need to do something that I wouldn't want to put my good chisels through. And then here I've got my hammer, which obviously gets used a lot. You need a hammer, that's one of the main tools that you need in a workshop, and my wooden mallet. And over on this side I've got my spirit level, which is used occasionally in a workshop but not very much, and I've got my saw. This saw here is going to be used for like rough cutting stuff if I need to, and if it's just like, if I don't want to get the chop saw out, I just use this, and I'm probably going to end up changing it out at some point for a Stanley jet cut. Okay, and then moving up a little bit, I've got 2 chargers for my Ryobi batteries, and I can easily look at them up here and I can see whether they're charged or not. I've got the little battery indicator on the top here. I just push the button, I can see if my battery's charged. And I've got easy access to my drill as well, which is right here. I just want to point out as well, behind the drill I've got a few different bits. I've got this bit here, which if I remove that I can swivel it, and if I need to get into a corner, you can see it's all flimsy there. If I need to get into a corner, I can have the drill at an angle like that. And then I've got an extended bit for if I need to get further into something, and then I've got a couple of normal bits. And over on this side I've got more saws. So these are the saws that are going to be used for my joinery. So I've got a coping saw, I've got a Japanese draw saw. I'm probably going to change all these out at some point, but for now I wanted them mounted up here. Okay, and over here I've got my planes. I've gone for a mix of planes, so I've got the Stanley number 12 over here. I've got a number 51, like a draw plane down the bottom there. I've got a little hand plane, which is probably going to be changed out for something of a more better quality at some point. This is just a cheap from the local hardware store. I'll probably get that a nice little hand plane at some point. I've got this as well. This is like a traditional German plane. I will look at more into planes in the future, but for now I just want that up there. I've got back here, I've got my scrapers. I'm going to do a video on scrapers as well, and why you should use scrapers at some point, and how to sharpen them. And up here I've got this guy. This is a monster, but it's probably not going to get used that much, but it's nice to have, and I like it being up there. I like to look at it sometimes and just remind me of what I'm trying to do here. And you'll probably notice as well, there's lots of free room here for future tools. So I want my logo up here somewhere, maybe around here. I want a nice circular logo, so that when it's in my backdrop, obviously you're going to be able to see my logo. It's just add a bit of branding to my channel. I want that to go up here, but there's still loads of room to add more tools in the future. And up there is where we're going to keep my saw blades. So I've got the blade for the chop saw, and I've got a blade for a bandsaw at the minute. They're probably going to get, there's going to be more added in the future, but that's where I'm going to keep them up there. Mounting the tools to the wall was really quite simple. I did it in the simplest way possible, which is my motto for pretty much everything. For example, the files here, they've got a hole in the top, put a screw in the wall, hang them up. For the screwdrivers, a block of wood, drill a hole, screw it to the wall, job done. For the chisels, because I needed square holes for the chisels because they're obviously wider than they are round, I had to make up this little block of wood here, but it's not that hard and it went together really quickly. And I also tried to mount the tools in a way where I'm going to be able to get to them, to the tools that I'm going to use more often. I'm going to be able to get to them quicker than I would do other tools, for example. So like my blades are not going to get changed all that much compared to how much I'm hoping to use my chisels. So the blades are right at the top and the chisels are right behind me. Again, my drill, I'm going to be using this all the time. It's right there at arm height, right behind me. Like I say, I've left a load of space up the top there for more tools. So what tools would you advise me to put up there? Post a comment down below, and what's your go-to woodworking tools? What's the tool that you didn't know you needed until you had it? I want that tool on my wall. So that's it. It's just a quick one this week. Just wanted to go through my tool wall really quickly and let you know what I've done, because this is obviously going to be in my background for my future videos, so I just wanted to show you that quickly. And like I say, what's the tool that you need on your wall? I want it on my wall, so post a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next week.